Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I am Ashna and today I am doing the tarot reading for the week of 9th August 2021. So let's see the messages for this week. The Star. This is such a beautiful card. The first vibe that I get when I see it is something really beautiful coming your way. A lot of fortune, fame, money, success is on your way. I feel the entire month of August, even going on till September, I think a lot of good opportunities will come to you. You'll feel balanced, you'll feel busy, and you'll feel that the universe is finally listening to you. If any of you have felt that the universe has not got my back, or I'm not getting the things that I really deserve, I feel this is the week, month, the next 2 months where you will feel, oh yes, I think my God heard me. So that is the vibe that I get. Also, this is a week of a lot of confidence. I feel you'll have a lot of confidence. You know what you're doing, whatever you're doing is right and for your benefit. So you'll feel elated, you'll feel good about yourself, and you'll be able to accomplish your goals. So I think this is a brilliant card. Let's see the next card. Eight of Swords. Now, there might be days where you feel that you're stuck. There might be days where you feel like this. Now, if you see this card closely, this is a person who's tied and has a lot of swords. So this person can't really move. I feel that due to certain circumstances, you're feeling very stuck and you're unable to move. But I feel that you have the opportunity to kind of break free. But what is stopping you is all here. It is not because you can't do it. It's not because there are that you are weak. I feel that there will be a chance for you to kind of break through from this. So I feel that a lot of turmoil, you'll feel caged, you'll feel there are a lot of thoughts going on in your head. So I feel rather than brooding or sulking with these thoughts and your circumstances, it's better to kind of move away, break free from your current situation. So if I say it in a practical manner, for example, your business isn't working, for example, you're having issues in your relationships, go away from there. That's the best advice that I can give you. Distract your mind at that time. Maybe you don't have a long-term solution right now, but for that moment you'll feel better. So get away from that situation, whatever is troubling you. If you're the kind of person who feels that you can't articulate, because this is a card which says that you're not able to say what you're feeling, there's so much going on, you feel upset, you feel caged, but you can't really articulate what's going on. So if you cannot, and if others are not taking it in the right manner, it's better to move away from that situation, that particular place, and that particular person, at least for the temporary time being. It's not necessary that you have all the solutions to your problems right now. So this week is about moving away from anything that irritates you, that cages you, or that kind of troubles your mental peace. Let's see the final card. Nine of Cups. So we have two beautiful cards and one card which is creating a little bit of issue, but this is such a nice card. It talks about wish fulfillment. You are getting there. I feel that your dreams are coming true. It's just a matter of time. If I tell you the exact time, the literal meaning of this time, it shows about 9 months. So 9 months, some wish fulfillment will be with you, whether it's work, personal life. So this is all about hoping. You've been hoping and wishing that I want certain things in my life, and when will I have it? Well, the answer is here. You're going to have it very soon. But because we have the Eight of Swords cards, the angels want you to calm down, do what you're doing. If something is upsetting you, move away from that situation. Just get out from a particular situation rather than sulking, brooding, and making yourself upset. Because the Star and the Nine of Cups is such a beautiful card, giving you whatever you need, especially professionally. So maybe some of you might be at a loss at your personal ends. You might not be having a great relationship with your partner. You might feel that others around you are testing you, but professionally you're going to be at the top. You'll realize that I am someone, I am worthy, and my advice is rejoice in that, because not every person can get everything in life. So if professionally you're doing well, focus on that rather than focusing on your personal relationship. It's important to start focusing on your profession, in your office, at your workspace, whatever is that you do. I hope this made sense, and I hope you have a great week. And if you want a personal reading, please send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment as soon as possible for you. I'll see you very soon. Love and light to you all. Bye.